Hello friends, there is a well-known prevalent legal maxim, ignorantia facti excusat, ignorantia juris non excusat. It means ignorance of fact is excusable, but ignorance of law is not excusable. Now, what is fact and what is law? Facts are true statement that has been proved. For example, world is round and the leaves of plants are green. In case of ignorance of fact, there is no provision of punishment. Law are rules and regulation of government. For example, motor vehicle rule, cyber law. In case of ignorance of law, there is a provision of punishment. Any act punishable by law is called offense or crime. Offense or crime may be classified into cognizable offense are those offenses in which there is arrest of person without warrant. For example, rape, murder, theft, robbery, dacoity. Non-cognizable offense are those offenses in which arrest of person with warrant. That warrant may be granted by the court or police authority. Bribery, forgery, cheating, voluntarily causing hurts are come under the category of non-cognizable offenses. Now there are two category of offenses. First one is bailable offense, second one is non-bailable offense. Bailable offenses are those offenses in which there is a provision of bail. For example, bribery, forgery, committing affray, or voluntarily causing grievous hurt. Now non-bailable offense are those offenses in which there is no provision of bail. For example, rape, murder, robbery, theft, dacoity.